Hi, I'm Chris Blankenship, the Commissioner of the Alabama Department of Conservation and Natural Resources. I'd like to tell you about a Restore-funded project that is completed in Baldwin County, Alabama. Managed by the Alabama Department of Conservation and Natural Resources State Parks Division, Meaher State Park is situated on 1,327 acres adjacent to the wetlands in northern Mobile Bay. Known as the gateway to the Delta, it is the perfect access point into the beautiful Mobile-Tensas Delta. The Mobile-Tensas Delta consists of more than 250,000 acres and is the second largest delta in the continental United States. The delta has been referred to as America's Amazon because it is one of the most biologically diverse places in North America. Formed by the confluence of 5 rivers, the Mobile-Tensas Delta is a complex network of tidally influenced rivers, creeks, bays, lakes, wetlands, and bayous. Since the delta empties into Mobile Bay, Meaher State Park, with its 300-foot-long pier, sits in a productive estuary with numerous species of fresh and saltwater fish. The park also has a boat ramp with access into the delta. This is a special place and an angler's dream. With the Restore funds, we are completing construction on additional amenities in the park. 46 new full-service RV campsites, 4 fully furnished bayside cabins, and a first-class bathhouse have recently been completed. The RV campsites will have electrical, water, and sewer connections. Of the 4 bayside cabins, 2 are ADA accessible, and the new bathhouse is fully ADA accessible with 8 family-style restrooms, each with an accessible shower. These new improvements bring the total amenities at the park to 107 full-service RV campsites, 8 fully furnished cabins, 3 of which are ADA accessible, and 2 full-service ADA accessible bathrooms. Whether you come for the day or spend the night, a visit to the new and improved Meaher State Park will be a memorable outdoor experience for you and your family.